Hold on to your seats. The future is now. Imagine a world where robots handle dangerous tasks, run factories, and even make your morning coffee. And no, this isn't a sci-fi movie. This is Tesla's Optimus Gen 2, a mind-blowing humanoid robot that's going to change the game for good. At just $10,000, this revolutionary technology is going to make automation affordable for everyone. And wait, there's more. Tesla's new battery tech is on the horizon, pushing the boundaries of energy storage in ways you couldn't even dream of. So what does all this mean for you? For humanity? Let's dive in. Imagine this, a factory floor with robots so advanced they could work alongside you without missing a beat. That's the power of the Tesla Optimus Gen 2. But it's not just another robot, it's a game changer. From manufacturing to healthcare, this robot is about to open up a whole new world of possibilities. And it's not just for billion-dollar companies. This robot is priced at just $10,000. That's right, $10,000 for a robot capable of revolutionizing industries and even making your life easier at home. But how does it work? Let's take a closer look. Would you trust a robot to help you with your work or even cook your dinner? Comment below and let me know what you'd have an Optimus robot do for you. Imagine a robot doing your job. Is that scary or exciting? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's have a conversation about it. Now let's talk about how this technology is going to change our daily lives. Picture this, a hospital where robots help nurses and doctors by bringing supplies, assisting in surgeries, or even checking up on patients. Or imagine a world where you come home after a long day and your robot assistant has already made dinner, cleaned up, and even put the kids to bed. With Optimus Gen 2, this isn't a dream, it's on the brink of reality. Which job would you like a robot to do in your life? You've heard about electric vehicles, solar power, and the global push for a cleaner planet. But what if I told you that Tesla's latest battery breakthrough could make all of this more affordable, more powerful, and more accessible than ever before? Imagine a world where energy is no longer a limitation but a superpower. Welcome to the future of energy storage. Lithium-ion batteries have revolutionized industries, from smartphones to electric vehicles. But they're far from perfect. They rely on rare and expensive materials like cobalt, require significant energy to produce, and degrade over time, leading to higher costs for consumers. Enter Tesla on a mission to rethink the way we store and use energy. At the heart of Tesla's innovation is a new battery technology that redefines what's possible. It boasts increased energy density, meaning smaller batteries can store more power, perfect for extending the range of EVs or powering entire homes for days. It's also built with sustainable, abundant materials, reducing reliance on rare earth metals while slashing production costs. And perhaps most importantly, it's built to last, with a significantly extended life cycle. This isn't just about electric vehicles. Tesla's new batteries are poised to transform energy storage on a global scale. Imagine affordable solar systems for homes, entire cities running on renewable energy grids, and remote regions finally gaining access to electricity. The possibilities are endless, and the impact is immeasurable. Tesla has always been at the forefront of innovation, from the first mass-market EVs to its ambitious solar energy initiatives. And this new battery technology is no different. As it rolls out across products and industries, it's set to redefine the global energy landscape, and it's only the beginning. With this groundbreaking innovation, Tesla isn't just creating a better battery, they're shaping a better future for all of us. So, what will this revolution mean for you? The possibilities are endless. Let's drive the future together. Public reactions and expert opinions. The world is buzzing with reactions to the Tesla's latest reveal. Social media is ablaze with excitement, while industry experts are calling the Optimus Gen 2 a watershed moment in robotics and energy innovation. Some hail it as a revolutionary step toward automation and sustainability, while others raise questions about its broader societal implications. The debate is on, but one thing is clear. The world is watching Tesla shape the future. With the Optimus Gen 2 poised to change industries, it brings with it a wave of challenges we can't ignore. As robots become more affordable and capable, questions arise about the future of human jobs. While automation promises increased efficiency and safety, it also threatens to displace millions of workers across industries, creating a potential crisis in employment. Beyond jobs, ethical concerns loom large. How do we ensure that AI-powered robots like Optimus make decisions that align with human values? From healthcare to security, these robots will interact with vulnerable populations, handle sensitive data, and operate in unpredictable environments. The need for robust ethical guidelines and transparent algorithms has never been greater. And then there's the energy revolution. While Tesla's new battery tech offers an exciting alternative to lithium, it also poses critical questions. How will this transition impact industries relying on lithium mining? Will supply chains adapt fast enough to support this new technology? And can we ensure that these new energy solutions are produced sustainably, avoiding the environmental mistakes of the past? As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, these challenges demand immediate attention. Governments, industries, and communities must come together to navigate the complex interplay of innovation, ethics, and sustainability. The Optimus Gen 2 and Tesla's battery breakthrough represent a brighter future, but only if we address these challenges responsibly. The question isn't just about what robots can do. It's about how we, as a society, choose to integrate them into our world. Beyond the hype, the Optimus Gen 2 and Tesla's battery breakthrough represent a broader vision, a world where automation and renewable energy come together to solve humanity's greatest challenges. Imagine disaster zones where robots provide aid, or remote communities powered by clean, affordable energy. This is the future Tesla is working toward, one that benefits everyone. So what's next for Tesla? While the Optimus Gen 2 and battery tech are front and center, this is just the beginning. Tesla is paving the way for a tech-driven, sustainable future, with innovations in autonomous vehicles, AI systems, and even interplanetary exploration. It's clear that Tesla's journey is far from over, and the possibilities are endless. The Tesla Optimus Gen 2 and revolutionary battery tech aren't just concepts. They're here to transform our reality. What do you think about Tesla's vision? How do you see these technologies shaping our world? Let's start a conversation. Drop your thoughts in the comments, share this video with your friends, and join us as we explore the exciting future of technology. And remember, the future is electric, automated, and filled with possibilities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all the latest innovations and breakthroughs. See you in the next video.